Deadly zones of the planet. Places where nature shows no mercy. Hello friends. Today I invite you to embark on a chilling yet captivating journey to some of the most deadly places on Earth. These locations are terrifying not because of mysticism or mystery, but due to harsh conditions that leave no room for error. Whether it's unbearable heat, toxic air, or treacherous natural traps, these zones remind us of how fragile life is in the face of nature's raw power. Let's dive into where nature reveals its most lethal side. Death Valley, a scorching hell on Earth. One of the most infamous dangerous places in the world is Death Valley, located in California. Known as the hottest place on Earth, temperatures here can soar to plus 56.7 degrees Celsius 134 degrees Fahrenheit. This kind of heat can melt plastic and evaporate moisture straight from your skin. Despite this, the valley hosts fascinating phenomena, such as mysterious moving rocks that glide across the dry lake bed. Scientists attribute this to a combination of strong winds and a thin layer of ice forming on the surface. However, for someone stranded without water in this natural inferno, survival chances are nearly zero. Sunburns and dehydration occur within hours. Lake Natron, Tanzania. Water that turns life to stone. At first glance, Lake Natron appears picturesque with its vibrant red waters. But this beauty is deceptive. The lake's water is so alkaline that it can burn skin and mucous membranes. The water temperature can reach plus 60 degrees Celsius 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and its chemical composition is deadly for most living organisms. Animals that inadvertently enter the lake perish, their bodies encased in minerals that make them appear like petrified statues. Only a few species, such as flamingos that nest on its salty shores, have adapted to these extreme conditions. Mount Washington, the king of deadly winds. This mountain in New Hampshire holds the record for the highest wind speed ever recorded on Earth, 372 kilometers per hour, 231 miles per hour. Combined with freezing temperatures as low as minus 40 degrees Celsius minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit, it makes reaching the summit a perilous challenge. Many climbers have underestimated the mountain's dangers, succumbing to its ferocious conditions. Instant frostbite, disorientation, and powerful gusts leading to tragic outcomes. Danakil Depression, Ethiopia. On the edge of hell. Often referred to as Hell on Earth, this region features active volcanoes, boiling sulfur springs, and acidic lakes. Air temperatures hover around plus 50 degrees Celsius 122 degrees Fahrenheit year-round, and toxic fumes make the atmosphere hazardous to breathe. Despite its dangers, the Danakil Depression attracts scientists from around the globe. It's considered an analog for conditions on early Mars. Lake Kivu, Africa. A ticking time bomb. Located between Rwanda and the Democratic Republic of Congo, Lake Kivu hides a deadly secret beneath its surface. Massive amounts of methane and carbon dioxide are trapped in its depths. If natural forces or human activity were to trigger a release of these gases, it could spell disaster. An explosion and suffocation for millions living along its shores. A similar tragedy occurred in 1986 at nearby Lake Nyos, where a gas eruption killed around 1,700 people. Snake Island, Ilha de Queimada Grande, Brazil, a realm of deadly snakes. This small island off the coast of Brazil is considered the most dangerous in the world. It is home to one of the deadliest snake species, the golden lancehead viper. Its venom is so potent it can kill a person within hours. Due to the high concentration of snakes, the island is off-limits to visitors. Only researchers with strict precautions are allowed access. Dazhou Desert, China. A traveler's death trap. The Dazhou Desert is infamous for its sandstorms, deceptive mirages, and deadly salt flats. This desert often misleads travelers, causing them to lose their way. Local legends speak of singing sands and mysterious disappearances, adding to its eerie reputation. Despite their dangers, these zones continue to fascinate scientists and adventurers. They help us better understand how nature operates in extreme conditions and offer insights into other planets. Exploring such places also reminds us of our vulnerability. Humans often think of themselves as masters of nature, but when faced with its deadly might, we realize just how small we truly are. The deadly zones of our planet are a chilling yet awe-inspiring reminder that Earth plays by its own rules. These places show us how incredible and dangerous nature can be. If you enjoyed this story, give it a like, subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts in the comments. Which of these places would you dare to visit despite their dangers? Or have you already been to such extreme zones? Thank you for joining me, friends, and as always, stay curious.